Health benefits of organic apple cider vinegar with mother. What you need to know. Organic apple cider vinegar contains beneficial enzymes, minerals and acids that can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. It can help balance pH levels in the body and promote a healthy alkaline state. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for those with diabetes. It is a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body. It helps to boost the immune system and reduce the risk of infection. It has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, such as indigestion and skin conditions. It can help to reduce cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. It has been found to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great choice for treating infections. It helps to reduce bloating and can aid in weight loss due to its appetite-suppressing effects. The presence of mother in organic apple cider vinegar makes it a powerful probiotic, helping to restore gut health and improve digestion. There is some anecdotal evidence that apple cider vinegar, ACV, may have potential benefits for men who have erectile dysfunction, ED, but there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. Some proponents of ACV suggest that it can help to improve circulation and blood flow, which could potentially have a positive effect on ED. However, there is no evidence to suggest that ACV can directly treat or cure ED. It is important to note that ED can have many underlying causes, including physical conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease, as well as psychological factors such as stress and anxiety. It is important to address any underlying health conditions and seek medical advice before attempting to use home remedies or alternative treatments for ED. If you are experiencing ED, it is recommended that you speak to a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Please like and subscribe for more. Also share with your friends, they will. Thank you. Click the link below to learn more.